Are you ready to supercharge your real estate lead generation and streamline your workflow? Let's dive into connecting your Google My Business profile to Follow Up Boss, step by step. First, log into your Follow Up Boss account and navigate to the Integrations section under Settings. On the Integrations page, locate the Google My Business integration. It might be under a category like Lead Sources or Marketing. Click on the Connect or Enable button for Google My Business. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account associated with your Google My Business listing. Grant Follow Up Boss the necessary permissions to access your Google My Business data. Select the specific Google My Business location you want to connect if you have multiple listings. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message now. Any inquiries or messages coming through your Google My Business profile will automatically flow into Follow Up Boss's new leads. You can then manage and nurture these leads within Follow Up Boss, using all of its powerful CRM features. That's it. You've successfully integrated Google My Business with Follow Up Boss. Start closing more deals with this seamless lead capture. Be sure to like and subscribe for more real estate tech tips.